Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, and now we are here to offer you an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of October 8, 2024, our system has classified QQQ as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.66. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced some natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of 0.19% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.02% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a subtly rising trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further upward movement. Analyzing the 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 9.12% over the upcoming 3 months, with anticipated returns ranging from 5.07% to 12.19%. For the 12-month outlook, the trend suggests a change of around 27.2% over the next year, with possible returns between 19.17% and 39.81%. This equates to a price range of between $581.97 and $682.80 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Wednesday trading session. The QQQ ETF price experienced a decline of 1.53% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, dropping from $495.96 to $488.36. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.89%, reaching a low of $485.05 and a high of $494.24. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, but remains down by 0.97% for this period. Volume saw a rise on the last day with an increase of 11 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, slightly increasing the risk over the next couple of days. In total, 38 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $18.320 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price fell to $342.35. Currently, the price is 3.01%, or $15.16, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. In recent developments, the Invesco QQQ Trust ETF is gaining attention, particularly as major growth stocks prepare to report earnings this week. These reports are expected to provide crucial insights into trends in artificial intelligence and internet advertising spending, which are pivotal for QQQ's performance. Additionally, the rise of artificial intelligence continues to boost investor sentiment. The ETF has shown strong returns, largely driven by companies at the forefront of AI advancements, such as NVIDIA, which is experiencing substantial demand for its AI products. Over the past decade, QQQ has delivered an average annual return of 18.27%, significantly outperforming the S&P 500. On the other hand, perceptions around risk have shifted, prompting some analysts to suggest a more cautious approach. The increase in interest rates has led to concerns regarding QQQ's valuation, resulting in a shift from a buy rating to a hold for some investors. Despite these risks, the anticipated growth in AI adoption could offer long-term upside potential for QQQ, especially as it includes a diverse range of tech-focused stocks like Google, Meta, and Tesla. In the short term, upcoming earnings could create volatility in QQQ's stock price, as investor reactions to the reported figures from major companies will heavily influence market sentiment. Long term, the ETF may benefit from ongoing trends in AI and technology growth, positioning it as a compelling investment choice amidst market fluctuations. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQ ETF is currently showing a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this generates an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. If the ETF continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $492.46. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $482. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will activate a sell signal. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged that could impact the near-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and thus far, it has declined by 1.84%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased despite falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating that the ETF should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 29 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 32 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 232 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, QQQ finds support just below today's level at $448.75. If this support is broken, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by $9.19 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to 1.89%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has shown a daily average volatility of 1.11%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate low expectations for the company's future performance, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, potentially presenting a buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at 489.47. If you don't own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a point to evaluate for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ meets its first support level at 448.75. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $472.06, reflecting a decline of 3.34%. This exchange-traded fund has very low daily movements, which translates to a low level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top established 7 days ago. Is the QQQ ETF a good buy? The QQQ ETF shows several negative signals, suggesting it might be a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it could also be viewed as a hold or accumulate opportunity while we wait for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our assessment from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 24th of October, we anticipate QQQ will open up 86 cents and begin trading at $489.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.